Hi, students and parents. Welcome to my front yard. For this fun activity, you'll need chalk. I used a pan to help me make circles, but you could draw them without. You need a small ball or a big ball or any size ball that you'd like to try this activity with. The first step is to make 26 circles in your driveway. I like to use a pan so I have nice circles. There's my circle. The next step is to put a letter in each circle. Hooray, I've got my circles all done and 26 letters in them. For my youngest students, who are maybe just learning their letters, a fun way to play this game is someone in your family could say, find the A, and the student has to walk over and say, here it is. You might say, find the letter B, and I might go, here's the letter B. Find the letter C. Here's the letter C. Or maybe if the student is learning their name, you might even spell their name. My name's Miss Joan, so I'd say find the letter J. Oh, where's the J? Here it is. What's the next letter in my name? It's O. I'm searching. Here's the O. What's the next letter in my name? A. Here it is. What's the next letter in my name? N. Here it is. I just spelled my name, Joan. J-O-A-N. Another fun game to play with this is with a ball. Someone in your family could tell the student, find the letter A and bounce the ball. Bounce and catch. Find the letter B. I'm gonna bounce and catch. Find the letter C. I'm gonna bounce and catch. Students could even practice their spelling words with this game. Let's see what I'm gonna spell. Here I go. F-U-N. I just spelled F-U-N. Fun. I hope you think this game is fun. I do. Some of my older students might want to use a small ball like a tennis ball. It's tricky, but they could even stand behind a line and try to bounce and catch the ball. I'm going to try to bounce the tennis ball on the letter N and catch it. I did it. Now I'm going to try the letter Q. Did it again. For some of my youngest students who are just learning their letters or the letters in their name, you may only want to do 3 letters, the letters in their name, like if their name was Tom. T-O-M. They could bounce and catch the ball on the letters of their names. I'm going to try it again. T-O-M. Today you did a fun activity with letters and a ball. My students were able to do this in a variety of ways. My youngest students could work on just learning their letters and finding the letters. Some of my students were able to bounce a big ball on the letters. Some of my other students were able to bounce a small ball on the letters. Some can work on bouncing the ball and catching the ball. Others were even able to practice the letters in their name or a spelling word. I hope you enjoyed watching today's occupational therapy session. Be healthy and safe. Bye from Miss Joan. This video was filmed and edited by Trumbull. It was made for an occupational therapy remote learning session. Dylan has an undergraduate degree from Chapman University in the arts. He's currently working on his Master's of Education. Thanks, Dylan.